honestly, I'm learning like how connected we all are and how many people are truly passionate about this field and how important this program is for students like me so that we can gain some knowledge and find interest and passion in this and take this knowledge everywhere we go.
As of right now, I really know that I want to go into healthcare and give back to my community, especially Lanai. So I hope one day I can become an occupational therapist and come back to Lanai and give back to that community.
Over the past couple of years, I've seen a lot more opportunities for people not on Oahu to explore different career fields, and this is probably the best one I've seen so far. We've got to come to the college and really see what it's like to learn what the medical field is like, which you don't get to do on our smaller islands. There's not a medical school. There's limited volunteering opportunities, and this gives the students who want to put in effort, who want to see what their life will be like, it gives them the opportunity to really test that out.
We're definitely networking with a bunch of people. Definitely getting the knowledge from the medical students as they are much older and more experienced, as well as just getting knowledge from my own peers and what they do in their own lives. It's quite empowering, I would say, knowing that someone my age is pursuing the same things as myself, and we can definitely learn from each other with our different experiences.
I would like to thank the donors for making this possible for us. Thank you.
Thank you, donors, so much for all that you guys have done for us. Truly, this wouldn't have been possible without you guys. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for making this experience possible.
Thank you for making this possible, donors.
Thank you, donors.
Thank you so much for helping me get here.
Thank you, donors.
Thank you, donors.
Thank you so much to the donors. Thank you for giving us this wonderful opportunity.
It's amazing that you have given us this opportunity to enlighten us and to let us learn new things.
Thank you so much for providing these experiences for me. I'm grateful.